Hello, this is Muhammad Ali, CSS 110. This is quiz 3, and this is question 1. It's asking to write a function for a multicolor square that has a turtle. T draws a circle of size that has size colored. Color 1, 2, 3, 4. So I started with setting up the windows, the turtle screen window, and its attribute here, which I'm gonna make the background color light green. The second step I did here is create the turtle, and I also created a total pen size. Just set it to 5. I think the question asks to set it to 5. Yes. Alright. And then I have the function here, multicolor square. Has T, has turtle, the size, color 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I went on, I created a loop here for I, and so I have decided colors, the sides of the square, and I set T to color I, which is I, and that's supposed to give me a loop where it changes the colors when we call a function here. So we set it up, call a function for the circles, and also just a command to have the turtle move forward. T move 90-degree left, to turn left, turn move forward, I mean. And let's not go too far here. So basically, once I go ahead and call this function here, and see I set the turtle T, the size is 150, so which it will fit in there. Just move 150 pixels every time it moves. And for the first color, it will be red, second green, third blue, the last one is magnet. So I will try and go ahead and run this code here, see what happens. As you see, this is the square, multicolors, red, green, blue, and I believe that's magnet. Great. Well, thank you. Have a good day.